Hi, I'm Ramya and I'm based out from Noida. I have a degree in MBA. I'm a marketing professional. I make brand promotion strategies for different brand. So like what will be their PR budget, what will be their advertising budget, what will be their events budget and digital marketing and everything. At the same time, I'm too much into designing the communication strategy. So if I talk about communication, it means what kind of communication will go to the media, will be published in the form of articles or interviews of my client. We realized that suddenly a lot of bloggers and Instagrammers and YouTubers have become in demand. That made us realize that the whole field is changing a lot. Now people are going for Google ads. They want more visibility on digital media and all. And then COVID hit. So due to my work and all, I never got time. And I heard from my friend about digital Vidya. I thought, why not? Let me give it a shot. So that's how I ended up joining Digital Vidya. I did course. I took the whole course thing. I did a course in social media marketing, SEO, email marketing, Google AdWords. So that was very much the whole thing that we studied. I would say yes, I was zero. I wasn't aware apart from the word. Now I can see how all this works, how email marketing works, how how can you get the maximum impact. What is A/B testing that I was unaware of. Then same in the way of SEO, we used to write content just for the heck of it. No, a keyword research need to be done and all. So digital Vidya definitely gives me exposure where that is concerned. Now I am more confident while approaching clients for business development even, because now when they ask me something, I know what they're talking and whether we can give it or not. Previously it was like they'll ask me for a keyword researched article, an optimized article, and I was totally clueless. I used to think, oh, it is something very big. Now I know, no, they are just asking for proper meta tags to be included, proper H1 to be used, the photos need to be, images need to be optimized. So yes, I know, and I can confidently say, yes, this can be done, this can be done. So it has definitely given me an idea, more clarity, and it has also suggested me ways like how the tools using which I can reach out to the more audience. If you are into marketing, now we cannot avoid this fact that digital marketing is there and it is going to stay. Trust me, the market is changing and evolving. Something or other will come up in the digital space only. It is just matter of time. So if you will learn the basic tricks and the tools, at least you will be confident enough. So that is what I think every person who is wants to enter marketing, they should know all these things, because you don't know, and nowadays there is an overlap of work. It is not like that you have joined events, so they might not ask you to write a content. So if you write a content, you cannot write a content just for the heck of it. You need to optimize it. Secondly, if you're even into event, they might ask you to write post. Post the content of that event on the Insta account, Facebook account. Till the time you don't understand the hashtags, how the post needs to be created, how it can be optimized, how it can be boosted, it will not help. Digital marketing course, now it's the necessity.